Hindi na daw papasok dito nanay ko kasi nandito kami sa may snake.
Snake! Oh, die!
Yan yung makikita niya.
Ay, Diyos!
The pinakakatakutan ng nanay ko.
Nakasok talaga tayo dito.
Oh, ayaw niya. Sige, diyan ka na lang.
Hindi, pipigit na lang ako, pero pag malayo siguro, pero huwag mo lang ipakita ng matagal.
Ay, hindi ko alam kung meron totoo.
Kaya nito, Diyos ko, ano lang yan, no? Iya!
6.
Hala, nakakawala ba sila? Hindi na.
May mga reptiles ba dito?
Mga ano, oo.
Mga reptiles. Come on. Sige, let's see the reptiles.
Phone.
What is this?
It's mommy's phone.
Okay, daddy.
I got it.
Pakita mo na.
Yun o. Turtle.
Look,
Lots of turtles.
the turtle is.
Oh, the iguana there is big.
What happened
Let's
to
see the
the
iguana.
turtle?
Yeah, I don't know. What happened to them? What are they doing? Let's see the iguana. This one, give up. Give this iguana here. See this one. This one.
Oh, take a picture. Superman. Look at this one.
Iguana, hindi mo yung Superman. Naku ko lang na-get. Super toy. Superman yung pala yan. Nakala ko super toy lahat ng toys.
Superman.
Superman pala. Yung mga teddy na eh.
Wala. Design mo sa benta. Collection.
Collection.
Superman, oh, big Superman, oh. You don't have the glass. There's a ship.
Look at Superman. She's ugly.
She's ugly. Binibenta yan.
Look, there's a boat. Superman.
This one are pink.
Picture na
What's the other one? It's a monster Superman. Look. Look at this one. Monster Superman.
Picture na lang anak nila sa birthday.
Right now. Oh, pinalike niya talaga. Tignan mo yung mga date. October 2018, 2006. Ito, 2015. Ito, 2017, 2018. Matatagal na yung mga to. Adik lang. Superman. Sige, kung ano yung mo yung Superman. Na. Ano yan, Gon? Sino yan? Ha? Whoops!
What is this?
Whoops.
Why they have a Superman
A costume. Yes.
This is the collection.
But I have no more like that.
Because you don't like Superman, you like Spider-Man.
But I don't like.
You want costume, Superman?
Yeah.
I will make you one.
But you cannot. It's from here because I want
Oh,
one.
that's not for sale. It's just a display. It's not for sale. And then you promise no buying, right?
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Why? I have no more.
Why do you think? Why do you think there's no buying? We have no buying rule.
Oh, Superman. Ayaw niya talaga ano.
Bakit? Bye na. Ito. Naman, excited. Hindi sinabi ng asawa ko na ganito pala ako kaganda.
Super.
Kapag ganyan. Super!
Super Gon Gon!
Ang pogi naman ng Gon-Gon!
Hindi, gusto kong bilhin tong...
Malaki na yan.
Oh, kasi hindi siya madaya.
Ito siya. Kasi maganda ito yung natural like.
Oh, no. Ang ganda niya kahit panig kapag gaganda eh.
Happy ka mo rin.
Ang ganda.
Hindi pala, ang hindi lang sabihin ni Mami, hindi pala ako totoong maganda.
Maganda.
Siya din maganda siya sa salamin.
Diba? Ang ganda.
Maganda tong mirror na
Siyang
to.
bilhin.
Uy, Gon Gon!
Maganda to. But it's, ay, tignan mo, marunong siyang tumakas. Purga marunong na siyang mag-walk. Oh, less pagod na, Daddy.
Ha?
Less pagod na. Ano ka ba? Let's go, let's go.
Hey, wala ang surata. There's the map.
How about this one?
Why there's the map?
Okay.
Hey, look.
Ito yung mga...
Over here. Over here.
Turtle.
Over here. Oh, this one.
Oh, let's go.
Like your toy.
Oh, it's looking at me.
Frog ko makita yung frog. Ah, yun. I saw the frog.
Hindi naman frog eh. Meron.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Ano yun?
Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry. Ano yun?
Carry me, mommy.
There. It's buried there.
Ah, yes. Dumpy. It's like chocolate frog on the Harry Potter.
The liger hybrid.
May takot si Gana.
Oh. Hindi mo siya takot.
Si Gana.
Look, we gotta look. Look.
Sige,
What's going on?
Ayun na iguana oh. Ang tanan.
Gib. Wala si Gib dyan.
Python sila.
Hey, Gib. Ba't si Gib Gana?
Ay, kapakananin ng phone.
Tara, tara, tara.
Pakiarya pa ka na ako. Wala nakakita ang black frog.
Hmm? Let's see. Tayo natin si Mami na, mag-react siya dito. Tingnan natin, prank natin siya.
Ito, may iguana dito ba?
Tingnan natin reaction niya. OA to, OA.
Ito. Ay! Ano?
Sabi ni Paolo, prank kita eh. Sabi ni Paolo, prank kita. Saan ni Paolo yan? Ah, yun yung frog. Ito, ganda.
Iba yung color nila, no?
Ito pala yung Pac-Man frog. Pac-Man frog pala. Nasa isang Pac-Man frog dito. Where is it? Tsaka ito. Another Pac-Man.
So, iba't ibang color ang mga frog talaga. Ito, nakakita namin dito. Sa tunay. Healthy eating. Sabi sa Timothy din.
Wow! Wait, kami kayo dito.
There's tarantula.
Look, there's a skeleton. Wait, this is skeleton.
Skeleton.
Yeah.
Look, there's a one. That's his
Saan nakita mo nila?
This.
Porcupine. Ano porcupine? Ito, sa loob.
So, ano yan?
Porcupine ba yan?
Up, stand up, up. Where are you going? pig.
Ano pangalan niya?
Asan yung ano ito? Asan na?
Nasa loob na.
Ah, yun.
It's a big snake. It's a cobra.
Cobra?
Cobra?
Cobra yun.
Meron.
Oh,
No, it's a cobra.
it's a big snake. Look, it's a cobra.
No, it's not a cobra.
What's that?
It's a snake, but I don't know what's the exact name.
Snakes here. Oh, look at that. It's sleeping again. It's a sleepy lizard.
Gecko. Tuko. These are... That's a tuko. It's a gecko.
This one is
Small snake. What is this? Small snake.
just sleeping. Knock knock. Galing na yan, yung color blue yan eh. Monitor lizard ba yan?
What's this?
Oh, an owl. It's
Hi! Wawan man yung
Ano
owl.
laging
Nandito
owl
lang
na
It's
siya.
female or fake?
nailagay
No,
na.
it's real. It's real.
Nailagay yung sa owl ng Harry Potter.
Hedwig.
Hedwig.
Oh, it's real. It moves.
Ooh! Hello, hello.
Why is he awake? He should be asleep.
Because it's morning.
Because it's morning. He's awake.
Is that Gib? He's awake.
Are you awake, owl?
Yes.
Yes.
She's hunted. It's moving. Ah!
Awa ako. Kasi nandito lang siya. Siguro nag-sign siya ng consent na nandito lang siya.
The island is so...
Hindi ka nag-react sa sinabi ko. Hindi joke yun.
Kawawa naman.
Merong animal consent. Bet.
Look at the sky.
Hindi ko akalain na meron palang museum para sa mga apis. Hindi ko alam na may museum para sa apis. Oh, apis doon. Apis doon.
Ay, mami, boring na rin.
Ayan, tep mo rin na rin.
Makagod na rin eh, oh. Sa bahay.
Ganda na ako makabili dyan. Pero wala ko to.
Oh, oh, Larry Gon, ha? Ano, ha?
Oh,
Chest gun.
There. There, oh.
Ha?
Oh, totoo. Nagalaw.
Ha?
Are they fake?
yan, fake lang.
Gun, look at that. Big.
Sige, alamin natin bakit meron silang ano dito ha. Ano yung silbi ng ipis? People tell me to freak out.
Then you get them. Because it's
There, I got one. Here, I got one. Lalawin yung sarili naman.
No, no pa rin. No pa din. They are pest to me. Sorry, cockroach.
And their whiskers help the sea lions sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow. You know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact they have bigger front flippers and also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of a round of applause for sea lion friends.
cheated.
You guys cheated!
I told you, she cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys?
Yeah.
What you gonna do, Lucky? Oh, he makes that money nice back. And see, money! That's not Let's go! Yeehaw! Round of applause for Sea Lion Press and the trainers as well for the great dance number. Kiss! Sweet! Very good. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys.
Rocky.
Rocky.
Si Rocky.